Hello children, welcome to Computer Digital Learning Platform for grade 3. Today we are going to learn how to format a document and how to edit the text in Microsoft Word 2010. After this session, you will be able to understand how to format a document and how to edit the text in MS Word 2010. Let's understand about formatting a document. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. We can create and design appealing documents by changing font type, applying bold, italic, and underline effect to the text, aligning on a page, highlighting certain words, using superscript and subscript options, using format painter, inserting header and footer, changing text color. Let's learn about these topics practically. Let us see how to change the font type or font style, font size, applying bold, italic, underline effect to the text. The characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called fonts. Microsoft Word provides various types of fonts options. When you open Word, the text appears in default font type, that is Calibri body with 11 points. Size. To change the font type, select the text, click on the Home tab, click on the drop down arrow next to the font box. In the font group, a list of fonts appears. Choose the desired font from the displayed font list. Now, observe the change. Applying bold, italic and underline, the font style options such as boldface, italic and underline are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader's attention. Bold, it makes the selected word darker than the rest of the text. Italic, this effect emphasizes the text by slanting into the right. Underlining, it emphasizes text by placing a line under it. We can underline a word or sentence along with spaces. To apply any font style effect, select the text, click on the button B or I or U in the font group on the Home tab. Now we will see how to change font size. To change the font size of selected text in first, select the text you want to change. Click on the Home tab. Click on the drop down arrow In the font group, you can also type in any size you want within the following limits. Choose the desired font size from the displayed list. Observe the change. Now we will move to changing of the text alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. It is always better to set the alignment before typing. We can also select an entire document and then change the alignment of text. Microsoft Word provides 4 types of alignments, which are as follows. Align text left. It places the selected text towards the left margin. By default, the text is always to the left margin. Center align. It sets the text in the center of the left and right margins. It is mostly used for titles or headings. Align text right. Aligns the selected text towards the right margin. It is often used for placing dates or references in a document. Justify the align. It places the text evenly between the left and right margins. It is mainly used for designing books, magazines, and newspapers. The steps for aligning a page are as follows. First step, select the text. Click any desired alignment button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Observe the change in the alignment. Now we will see how to highlight certain words. Steps are: select the text that you want to highlight, go to Home tab and select the arrow next to the highlight color. Select the color that you want. Now observe the change. Now we will see how to use superscript and subscript options. Select the text or number you want. Go to Home tab and select superscript. Now select the text you want. Click to the superscript. Now observe the change. Now next we will see how to use Format Painter. First, you need to type some sentences. Select the text that has the formatting that you want to copy. Click on the Home tab. Click Format Painter. Use the brush to point over a selection of the text. Now observe the change. Now next we will see how to insert header and footer. A header is the top margin of each page and a footer is the bottom margin of each page. Headers and footers are useful for including material that you want to appear on every page of a document, such as your name, the title of the document, or page number. To insert header and footer, click on the Insert tab. Click the down arrow on the header. Click on the blank header. Type the text. To insert footer, click on the Insert tab. Click on the footer. Click on the alphabet or page number. You can type you can see the change on the page. Header appears on the top of the page. Footer appears on the bottom of the page. Now we will see how to change text color. Microsoft Word provides an option to change the color of the text. Select the text and click on the Home tab. Click on the drop down arrow next to the font color button on the Home tab. Select the desired color from the displayed font color menu. Observe the change. Children, I hope you have understood how to format a document and how to edit the text in MS Word. Let us end our session with home play. Read lesson number 8, Fun with Text Processing, and understand the concept given in the lesson. Thank you.